Hello everybody, this is DJ with One Time Outdoors, and I'm going to be doing an unboxing video really quick. And of course, my neighbors let out their 6 little dogs. So, I've been in contact with the company Jackery. And a lot of you that follow my channel know that I was previously homeless and I lived in a tent and you know, love the outdoors. I do a lot of camping and backpacking. Well, I'm trying to get a trailer off grid that I will be able to turn into my home. And what I would really like to do is be able to just run solar. So, in talking with the company Jackery, by the way, just from the emails back and forth, they seem like a very great company, very honest, upfront. So, I bought this. This is the Jackery Explorer 240 portable power station. 240 watt hour storage. What's good about this is it has three different ways it can be charged. So it can be charged solar, which I'm hoping to do. You can also plug it in to your home or through a DC port in your vehicle. So, let's open this up and see what all we get in the box. Okay, right on the top of the box, important. Please charge your portable power station to ensure full capacity. Charge and storage for maximum battery power. Charge me now and every 3 months, or keep me plugged in. Okay. So this is your warranty card, I'm guessing. Has 24-month limited warranty, lifetime technical support. And then after that, you have your user's manual. Tells you about it. Here's a bigger warranty card. You have a soft case with all of your adapters, your AC adapter. It takes an 8mm plug, and then your DC adapter, and then it's a soft case. This package is very nice, very sturdy cardboard. Then you have the foam inserts. Then here's the unit itself. You have your 2 USB plugs, your AC, your DC, and then your input for power. It's not a heavy unit. I think it only weighs 15 pounds, I think. I'm not sure. I don't even think it weighs 15 pounds. Yeah, 6 pounds. I knew this thing didn't weigh 15 pounds. I think the bigger one's the one that weighs 15. So here it is, and the next video will be us using this. If I could just say one thing to Jackery, is have a plug right here so that way this is protected, and possibly even rubber plugs for these as well. But other than that, you can tell it's very well made. It's got the rubber feet. It feels very sturdy, not cheaply made. And I'm almost positive they're making these here in the US, right in California. So thank you for watching, and I will be doing other videos of this. But I just wanted to do a quick unboxing and get everything charged up. I can't wait to use it. Thank you for watching, and as always, God bless.